I was writing this article about Zold cryptocurrency, which is a decentralized system, which consists of servers that are owned by anonymous people, and they connect to each other through the protocol, which is an open protocol, and the software is open source. So it seems like a system with no central control, with no single person who is responsible for the entire system. Well, Zold cryptocurrency right now is quite experimental. That's why we are responsible. Me, a few other programmers, Zerocracy as a company, so we stay in charge, we control that system. But in other decentralized systems like Bitcoin, Ethereum, which are cryptocurrencies, or torrent network for file sharing, or maybe the Tor browser, they are way bigger than Zold, and they have thousands or tens of thousands of machines and computers, and they are they look decentralized. They look like there is no single point of failure, there's no single point of control, no person in charge of everything. But if we look closer, if you really look what's going on inside, if we investigate the structure of all that, we will understand that in any system, no matter how decentralized it is, there are some elements which are in hands of some people, and there's a very limited amount of people. The first and the most important part is the source code. So who is writing the source code? Who is accepting changes to those code? Who is actually giving the go-ahead for new releases? So who is making the decision of which code goes to production and which code stays in the testing mode and then doesn't go to production? That is the person who we can say controls, or a group of people controls the entire system to a very large extent. So those people design the system, and then they let anonymous people manage resources in that system. So of course the computers, the nodes, all this mining equipment belong to anonymous people in Bitcoin and Zold, in all other decentralized platforms. But a very small group of engineers and programmers, they really stay in charge of what's inside the source code, and those people are the single point of failure in any decentralized system. The true, full, complete decentralization is a myth. It's not possible to have it. No matter how you build the system, you still need to have somebody who will control technical resources and the source code. Who are those somebody? That's a question. Either those people are trustable, either those people are anonymous. Is it a group of people? Is it one person? How large is the group? Those are the questions to be answered. But we need to realize that no matter how cryptocurrency it is, it's still it still has a pretty big amount of centralization inside. And the core element is, of course, the source code. Is it good or is it bad? I don't know. That's probably for the future for discussion. But I'm just trying to say that there is no full decentralization. No matter what it is, we still have a center over there.